Hello everyone, this is Ruth Bomar and we're talking about the problems that are I'm seeing with my students this week. One student that I talked to this week was dealing with how to prepare for his third exam. He had done rather well for his first exam, and second exam he pretty much bombed it, and then now he's prepared for his third exam. Well, and this is for a biology class, so it's an academically rigorous class. So we looked at his exams and found out that for his first exam, the content of the material was introductory and rather kind of like a review. Second exam had some significant content, which he needed to study for, but he didn't, and that's why he bombed the exam. So now how do you study for exam number 3? And this is what we came up with. This is the plan we came up with. We look at the notes from yesterday's. He sees this class. He meets with this class Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So we look at the notes for Monday, and then find the section in the reading material that matches Monday's topic. Take notes from just that reading section in your textbook, not the whole chapter, just the section that applies to Monday's lecture. Take notes from there. So now you have 2 sets of notes, one from your lecture, one from the textbook. Now you merge those 2 notes, so you have a third document of notes. And then you look at the end of the chapter and look at the review questions and jot down review questions that pertain just to that section. So these are potential questions the professor might ask on exam number 3. And then you look at your notes and ask yourself, what might the professor ask from these notes from lecture on Monday on the upcoming exam? So you make a list of potential questions you might see on the exam. So what we're creating is your own study guide. Now, this particular situation, the student needed to do this for every one of his lectures. He was going to have about 5 more lectures and then the exam. So if you do that for each of your lectures, that approach of doing your lecture notes, your notes from your textbook, predicting what's going to be on predicting some possible questions, then that would be one of the strategies to study for your third exam. Well, these are my strategies for in between exams, learning from your previous exam and preparing for your next exam. This is Ruth Bomar. Talk soon.